Think about this number for just 1 minute. 2 trillion galaxies. Over 100 billion stars in each galaxy. That's 200 sextillion planets in this universe. And life? Only confirmed in one place, here, on Earth. This video won't be like a normal science video. This is a case that we didn't solve ourselves. The universe solved it on its own. And the answer is so narrow, it's terrifying. Let's begin. The first thing that mattered, being in the right place. Not too far from the sun, not too close. It's called the Goldilocks Zone. Look at Mars. It's a little far. Minus 60 degrees average. Everything is frozen solid. No liquid water, no rivers, no oceans. Look at Venus. It's too close. 460 degrees. The air is carbon dioxide and sulfuric acid. Lead would melt on the surface. Earth settled at 15 degrees. Water can stay liquid. And without liquid water, chemistry can't turn into biology. This is basically the starting point of life. Every cell on Earth is 70% water. But here's the catch. The right distance alone isn't enough. The moon is also in this zone, and there's nothing on the moon. So just being in the right spot isn't a guarantee. You need more. The second thing, someone was protecting us. Have you ever thought what Jupiter's actual job is? Billions of asteroids and comets roam space every day. If one big one hit Earth, it's over. Instant extinction. Jupiter pulls these things toward itself with its gravity. It's like a cosmic vacuum cleaner. In 1994, the world watched as comet Shoemaker-Levy 9 crashed straight into Jupiter, not into us. It broke into pieces and slammed into Jupiter's atmosphere with the power of millions of nuclear bombs. Scientists estimate if Jupiter didn't exist, Earth would face a major impact every 10 million years. Life would never get time to stabilize and evolve into complex forms. So, we didn't survive alone. Someone took the hits for us. Jupiter is Earth's big brother. The third thing, probably the most underrated, our moon. Our moon is abnormal for its size. No other planet has a satellite this big relative to its planet. It's 1/4 the size of Earth. If the moon didn't exist, Earth's axis would wobble 10 to 45 degrees over time. No season would be stable. Sometimes extreme heat, sometimes extreme ice age, completely random. Agriculture would be impossible. The moon's gravity keeps Earth straight at a 23.5-degree tilt. That's why we have predictable 4 seasons: spring, summer, fall, winter. And tides, ocean waves, that's also the moon's gift. It's said life probably started in tidal pools at the edge of the ocean, where tides mix chemicals every day. That mixing may have formed the first DNA structure. The moon doesn't just light up the night. Maybe it made us possible. The fourth thing, 2 invisible shields we don't even notice. Shield number 1, water. 71% of Earth is water, but it wasn't made here. Earth was too hot when it formed. Comets and icy asteroids brought it billions of years ago. Without water, a single cell can't even form. No cell, no life. Shield number 2, the magnetic field. Deadly radiation from the sun is coming toward Earth every second, solar wind. If it hit us directly, it would strip our atmosphere and kill all life. But Earth's molten iron core creates an invisible magnetic shield that blocks it. You can see it as the northern lights. Mars doesn't have this shield anymore. That's why Mars lost its atmosphere and slowly died. It became a cold desert. Earth has both, water and a shield. This coincidence is so rare it feels like winning the lottery. The fifth thing, the perfect atmosphere. Earth's air is 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, and 1% other gases. That mix is not random. Too much oxygen, and the planet would catch fire from every lightning strike. Too little oxygen, and complex animals could never evolve. Earth's atmosphere also has an ozone layer. It blocks UV radiation from the sun. Without it, DNA would break apart on the surface. Venus has 96% carbon dioxide. Mars has 95% carbon dioxide, but it's so thin you can't breathe. Earth is the only planet with a breathable, balanced, and protective atmosphere. It's like a perfect spacesuit for the whole planet. The sixth thing, plate tectonics, Earth's heartbeat. Earth is the only planet we know with moving continents. It's called plate tectonics. Why does it matter? Because it recycles carbon. It regulates temperature over millions of years. It creates mountains and oceans. It brings nutrients to the surface. Venus is the same size as Earth, but it's geologically dead. No plates. Its heat is trapped inside. That's why it's a 460-degree hell with crushing pressure. Earth breathes, Venus doesn't. And without that breath, complex life dies. The seventh thing, the right chemistry and rare earth elements. Life needs more than water. It needs carbon, nitrogen, phosphorus, iron, and oxygen, a specific cocktail of elements. These elements were made inside exploding stars, supernovas, and our sun formed in a part of the galaxy that had just enough of them. Not too much radiation, not too little metal. If Earth had formed closer to the galactic center, deadly radiation would kill everything. Farther out, there wouldn't be enough heavy elements to build DNA and proteins. We are in the galaxy's Goldilocks Zone too, not just the sun's. The eighth thing, a stable star. Our sun is a G-type star. It's stable. It doesn't explode or flicker wildly. Many other stars are unstable. They shoot massive flares that would destroy any ozone layer. Their planets would be sterilized again and again. Earth's sun gives steady light for billions of years. That stability gave life time to evolve. The ninth thing, time and luck. It took 1 billion years for life to start from chemicals. 3 billion more years for complex life with many cells. Only 200,000 years for humans, which is nothing on a cosmic scale. In between, 5 major extinctions happened. Asteroids, ice ages, supervolcanoes. Every time, life barely survived by a thread. If that asteroid hadn't hit 65 million years ago, dinosaurs would still be ruling today. Mammals would still be hiding. Humans might never have existed. So we're not just alive. We are the result of a chain of accidents that align perfectly. One mistake, and we're gone. Now, the most dangerous question. If Earth is so special, NASA has already found 5,000 plus Earth-like planets. So why hasn't any signal come? Why no contact? Where is everybody? This is called the Fermi paradox, and there are 3 possible answers. 1. We are the first. We are the pioneers. 2. We are truly alone in the galaxy. 3. Everyone else is already dead. There's a darker version of this too. It's called the Great Filter Theory. Maybe every civilization hits a wall it can't cross. Nuclear war, climate collapse, artificial intelligence, pandemics, and no one crosses it. What if that wall is ahead of us, not behind us? Think about that for 1 second, and it gets scary. Why is Earth special? Right distance, Jupiter's protection, Moon's stability, water, magnetic shield, perfect atmosphere, plate tectonics, right chemistry, right place in the galaxy, a stable sun, and a lot of luck. Maybe making life is harder than winning the lottery 1,000 times, and we've already won. If this video changed your perspective, hit like, comment 1 word, alone, if you think we are alone, or not alone, if you have hope. See you in the next video. Until then, don't stop looking up.